My dear teachers and children, you are most welcome. Today, I want to take up some important topic, that is present continuous tense. What is the structure of present continuous tense? Where it has to be used, where it should not be used, why? The present continuous means we know that helping verb is only be form. We know what are the be forms. Be forms are also helping verbs, and be forms are am, is, or present tense, was, were past tense, beb future tense, been perfect tenses, and being continuous tenses. These are the various be forms which are also helping verbs, and these helping verbs help the main verb here, that is the ing form, that is called present participle. The ing form of a verb is called present participle, that is V4. So a V4 cannot become, that is the ing form of a verb or present participle cannot become a verb alone. It is always helped by be form. Now we know what are the various be forms. Now in this tense we use the be forms in present tense, that is am, is, are. So am, is, are plus ing form. I am going to college. He is going to market. They are coming to school. In that way, am going, is coming, are going, and these are the present continuous tenses. In this, am, is, are helping verbs, and ing ing form, that is going, coming, taking, bringing, this is the main verb. Now where present continuous tense is used, it is used first for an action going on at the time of speaking. Suppose now we are speaking, suppose they are playing, they are quarreling, they are studying, the child is sleeping. Okay, in that way, when that action is continuing at the time of speaking, then we have to use present continuous tense, that is be form plus ing form. And if a time is given after this verb, then some time is given for, like since morning, for 4 hours. If that kind of timing is given, we should not use present continuous. There we have to use a present perfect continuous. Now present continuous here only it is used with for an action that is going on or that is continuing at the time of speaking. Example, they are playing. When? Now, or at this time, or at this moment, or at the time of speaking. If this action playing is going on, then we have to say are going, because they plural we use they are going. So they are playing, then it is now. So here are playing is an action that is actually continuing at the time of speaking, that is now. So here we cannot say they play, we cannot say they will play, we cannot say they are playing only. This is present continuous. Now suppose she is singing, she is singing. Then at this moment, that is at the time of speaking, now, then this singing action is going on, then we have to use is plus ing form. This is called present continuous. Suppose she is singing for 2 hours, then is singing is not suitable, then she has been singing for 2 hours. So here for plus time, since plus time is given, we cannot use present continuous, then we have to use present perfect continuous. We will discuss it later on. But here, for how long, for how much time they are playing, but how long or how much time she is singing, that is not given here. Just that action is going on now or at this moment or presently or at the time of speaking, then we have to use present continuous tense. And what is the second occasion when we can use present continuous tense? This is for a planned action. For the action we make planning, and that action happens in the near future, like tonight, tomorrow, within 2 days, in that way near future, but it is a planned action. Then we cannot use simple future tense, we must use present continuous tense only. My friend will arrive tonight, we cannot say, because this is a planned action. He might have reserved the tickets long ago and planned to come, and tonight is a very near future. So then we have to, instead of simple future, my friend will arrive, instead of will arrive, we will use is arriving. So this is present continuous tense, because it is a planned action and that is going to take place, that is going to happen in near future. Then present continuous tense we have to use, that is am is or plus ing form. Arrive, ing form is arriving, and my friend singular we have used is. Here they plural we have used are. Am is or present, we cannot write here were playing, was singing, was arriving, we cannot write. We must write only am, is, or plus ing form only. That is what is called present continuous tense. I am going to Hyderabad tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is a near future, and for going to Hyderabad I have made a plan. That's why here we have to use simple future, because tomorrow future. I will go to Hyderabad tomorrow we have to say, but it is a planned action. We make reservations and everything, and we will intimate our relatives or friends there in Hyderabad. This is all a plan. According to the plan, this action is going on. That's why, and that is also near future. That's why instead of simple future, instead of I shall go, we will use I am going to Hyderabad tomorrow. So these are the two occasions where we have to use present continuous tense. Now third one, with the following words, certain words are there. With that we have to use, those are the hint words. If that kind of words are there, we have to use present continuous tense only. Now see, now, nowadays, these days, presently, at present, or see, look, his, here, don't disturb. So this kind of wordings are there. These are the hint words where you have to use the present continuous tense, not any other tense. Now let us see the examples. They are going to market now. They are going to market now. Now that action is going on. That's why you must say, they go to market now, you cannot say. They will go to market now, we cannot say. They are going. Am is or present, ing form continuous, present continuous. They were going, we cannot say, because now is there. If a then is there, we can write they were going, past continuous. So we cannot use will go, which is a simple future, and we cannot say only simple present tense, that is they go to market now, we cannot say, because now is there, or at this time is there, or at this moment is there. Then what we have to use? We have to use they are going, are plus ing form. Am is or be forms present, ing form present participle continuous, present continuous tense we have to use. Now let us see another example. We are not producing these goods nowadays. Nowadays is a present time, and so this is the hint word. Then you cannot use simple present or simple future. We must use present continuous. Nowadays also indicates that it is going on now only. That's why you cannot use were producing, you must use are producing. What is the verb here? Are producing. And not, it is an adverb. It is adverb. So what is the verb here? Are producing. Am is or be form helping the present participle or ing form to form a continuous tense. Am is are present, that's why present continuous. Okay, here we are not producing these goods nowadays or these days or at present or presently. So this kind of wordings are there, you must use present continuous tense only. Now suppose look, look. When we ask them look, then certain action is going on. When certain action is going on, when we say look, that is present continuous only. Look, they are quarreling. Look, they are quarreling. They quarrel, we cannot, they will quarrel, we cannot say. We must write present continuous only. In the same way, shh, the hound is coming. Shh, means we are actually asking them to maintain silence. Why? That hound is coming. We have to listen to its sound. That's why we are alerting them to maintain silence. Then is there, then present continuous, is plus ing form. Now see. So when see is also there, okay, see how they are arguing. Are plus ing form, again present continuous, how they are arguing, how they are quarreling, how they are talking. In that way, that kind, when see is there, you must use am is or plus ing form, that is present continuous only. On the same way here, he is telling some important thing here, drawing attention. So here also is telling, is be form, telling is present participle or ing form. So this is what is called present continuous tense we have to use. We cannot say was telling. Was telling is past continuous. If past time is there yesterday, then a few days ago, then was telling. We cannot write here, he will tell something. Okay, when here is there, will tell, simple future we cannot write. Here, he tells something, that is present. Simple present tense also we cannot use. We must use present continuous because this is a hint word here. In the same way, don't disturb. Don't disturb. The baby is sleeping. So here also when don't disturb, this kind of wording is there. We must use present continuous. We cannot say the baby sleeps. Simple present tense. We cannot say the baby will sleep. Okay, in that way you cannot say. We must write only ing. Am is or plus ing form only, present continuous. So this is all about present continuous. What is the structure of present continuous? Am is or plus ing form and where it has to be used. So these are very, very important points for any kind of examination. So I think by going through this one you will be very much satisfied. If still any doubt is there or anything you want to say, you say through a comment. Thank you.